We're very excited to have a very talented gentleman, Mr. Adam Rothman. All right, how are you, Mr. Rothman?
How are you?
Hi.
Okay, and now you're going to do what for us today?
Smoke a cigarette within 20, 25 seconds.
20, 25 seconds. Even, now, most people, it takes like 5 minutes to smoke a cigarette. Are you doing that short time?
Yes.
Okay, now, I guess I should give a warning out, the Surgeon General's warning. Maybe,
Yes.
Melissa, you have the Surgeon General warning.
Yeah. Stopping smoking now greatly reduces serious risks to your health.
Okay, good. We got that warning. All right. Now, I guess go to it. This sounds sounds like quite a talent.
You got a light, Fred? Sorry.
Wow, that was great. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Have a seat, Mr. Rothman.
Thank you.
Now, you actually are a special guest because you were on our program once before. You were able to put your foot in your mouth.
That's correct.
And brush your teeth very quickly.
Yes.
And now with this cigarette trick, it's hard to believe you have all those talents.
Well, I actually have one other little one.
Oh, another one.
Just a little one.
Okay.
It's kind of like a police siren that I do when I live in the city. I do police sirens that kind of reverb off of buildings.
Oh, okay. Can we hear that?
Absolutely.
Okay. A little water. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
Whoop, whoop!
Mr. Rothman.
Thank you.
Well, don't go away. We're going to be right back with lots more Oddville.
Thank you.